Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be talking all about my bangs. So as you can probably tell right now, my bangs are super long and they are needing to be cut. So I thought I would do a video all about my bangs. I'm going to show you how I trim my bangs, how I style my bangs, and I'm also going to show you how I disguise my bangs when they're super long like they are right now. So most days that you see me, you'll probably see me wearing a headband. I have lots of different styles here. I like these kind of thicker knotted headbands. So what I do is I just kind of push my bangs to the side and then I put my headband on. And you want one that's thick enough that your bangs will fit underneath. And then that just totally disguises your bangs. So that's my special little trick. And then another trick that I do, this one works well for the winter time, is if let's say I'm running to the grocery store or something and I don't want to style my bangs, I will just throw on a hat like this, tuck my bangs underneath, and no one knows that you have unstyled bangs underneath. Plus, it looks pretty cute. And when I'm at home and could care less about how I look, I have this little tool here. It's like a little comb, and I just go like this and push my bangs back. But let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how I trim my bangs. First, I am going to go and wash my bangs in the sink with a bit of shampoo, no conditioner. Just get them nice and cleaned, and then I'm going to come out and blow dry my bangs straight, and then we can get snipping away. Okay, so I'm just separating the length of my hair from my bangs. Clip it back like that, and then I'm going to section off my bangs. And then I'm going to put these long side pieces, which are a disaster, behind my ears. I'm going to deal with those after. I'm just going to deal with this front section right here. You could divide this into two, like a top layer and a bottom layer, and then cut the bottom layer first and then use that as a guide and cut the top layer. But I'm just going to go all in, and I kind of just use my finger as a guide. You always want to start small, and then you can just keep cutting and cutting till it's the right length, because you don't want to take too much off to begin with. So I'm just going to cut in an upward motion. And I do kind of just like a rough guide to begin with, and then I fix them up after. This is just to get some of that length off. You know, I'm no expert or no professional at doing my hair, so if you're a hairdresser, you might be cringing at how I trim my bangs, but it seems to work for me. So for me, I used to really like the straight across bangs that were just above my eyebrow. I think that's a really beautiful look, especially for the fall. But then I started to kind of do a more of like a 60s style bang, where I just kind of part it down the middle and then push it to the side. So I am going to keep them a bit longer since that's how I'm going to be styling my hair. But already it's looking a lot better. So maybe I'll go a bit shorter. And you want to cut more up into the bangs like this, rather than going like this, really blunt across. I almost just chopped my hair there. Because it's going to give you more of like a natural wispy look. It's not going to look so harsh. Let's see how that's looking. As you can see, you get so much of that hair on your face. So just do bit by bit. Take small amounts off until you get to the length that you like. It's getting there. And I think that that's going to be good for the style that I like to do. I could even go a bit shorter, but maybe I will keep them like this for now, because I think once I style them, they're gonna get a bit more volume. So now I can work on these just absolute disastrous pieces. I don't even know how to cut into these, but I'm just gonna see what I can do. I really want to kind of just grow these out because I think I already have too many bangs. These were even thicker before, and then I grew some of it out and it took me like 2 years. I should have just grown it all out. But let's start with this side. I'm just gonna kind of go like this. Ugh, I don't even know. I'm really bad at cutting this stuff. Let's try going like that maybe. That is a lot of hair I just cut right there. It doesn't look the best, but it is what it is. Just trying to thin it out a bit. Hairdressers are probably freaking out right now. Let's try this side. I actually I'm gonna leave some of it out because I might end up growing a bit more out. But I will try to cut this side now. It's really hard for me, I don't know how. Let's see. I'm just gonna go like this. Maybe I'll just kind of go like this. That does not look good. I probably shouldn't have cut these side pieces. I should have just kept growing them out because they were getting really long already. So now it's just going to take me extra long. I'm just going to cut this to match. Whenever I cut my bangs, my eyes always go bloodshot because little shards of hair just fall in and get stuck on my contacts. So I'm gonna go rewash and restyle my hair again just to make sure that it looks all right. I can do my final touch up, and I'm just gonna remove all this hair from my face. And a little hack I have to remove the hair clippings from your face: just take a little bit of tape and then you just go along your face and pick up the hair with the tape, and it's the easiest way to get rid of the hair. Alright guys, so I just went and washed my bangs. Now I will blow dry them. I usually blow dry them side to side to get the cowlicks out, and then blow dry them down. So that is how I trim, style, and disguise my bangs. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you so much. And yeah, I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye!